don't want to see myself, especially with big mirrors.
I actually told my husband, can you cover all the mirrors na?
Nalulungkot po ako sa self ko kasi lagi po ako nakakarinig ng comments.
Every time I would video call my parents, I would switch off my camera. My daughter also started noticing it, and that's when I feel like, what's happening with me?
They will even call me names na si Fruity or Fruity Gyawat po. Parang ang sakit lang po na sa family member mo pa maririnig yung ganun.
May times din na hindi ako nagpapapictures. Kahit may gathering, family gatherings, hindi ako nagpapapicture kasi I don't like how my skin looked like.
I feel the same way. Like, pag may kausap ka, feeling mo, they're not looking at your eyes, but they're looking at your skin.
Yes.
Nakakababa din ang confidence, to be honest.